Hey everyone, so it is a snow day today. It is snowing here in Virginia, so I'm taking you guys along with me to enjoy the snow. It's snowing. I don't know if you guys. What you think, Harbor? Still got the snow. So I'm finally gonna start working on my vision board. Got some pictures printed out. I'm gonna get some scissors just in case I wanna cut different shapes maybe. I don't know. So I got a bulletin board instead of a cardboard just because I thought that would just be a lot easier and I can change it up a bit if I wanted to, and also add more pictures if I want to, and just switch it up for the next year so I don't have to just keep on buying the cardboard. And I got my little partner in crime over here. There we go, finally. There's some ASMR. So this is what my vision board looks like right now. I am not done with it, of course, but I put a camera just because I wanted to vlog more in general and also learn how to vlog more in public and get comfortable doing it more in public. I have some food right here. It represents healthy eating. I want to eat healthier, add more protein, more vegetables, more fruits into my diet. This one is someone with makeup on. I just want to practice more with my character makeup. I've already started that, and also dip into SFX makeup. This is the money. It represents me wanting to make more money so I can live comfortably, and it isn't just representing traveling more, but it represents to explore more and to just vlog everything possible that I can and enjoy life. And even if it's in the neighborhood, hometown neighborhood, you know, just go ahead and explore. And this is a tent. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm not much of a camper. I do want to try glamping this year, but this also represents of trying new things in this year. And I also love this quote because it just helps me motivate me, help create the best life that I want to have for myself and my dreams. I'm creating the life of my dreams. So basically just create my dream life and the way I want my life to look later on, you know, as I get older. But this is my vision board. Of course, I'm going to add more later on and possibly give you guys a little bit of a tour of my vision board when it's completely done. I forgot on how much a pain in the butt it is to dress for winter. I have 2 coats, 2 shirts, 2 pants, but I have 2 gloves on. Yeah. Go, go, go! Is the finished look. I love how it came out, but I feel like I could do better. I say it's here's an up close. I say it's an 8 out of 10 for me. But yeah, I like how it came out. Good afternoon, everybody. It is 12:35 on January 7th. So I woke up at 6, stayed up for a while, just woke up from a nap, and I just got some coffee to wake me up again. But today we're gonna do some of the things that I did not do yesterday, like take down the decorations, do some more laundry, and what else? Take a bubble bath. I did do makeup from Inside Out yesterday, as you saw in the last clip, but I realized I had to do it again because I forgot to do a scene in one of my TikToks. So yeah, we're not doing that today, but all of my decor is down and my room looks naked. All empty. I just got out of the bath and I feel so relaxed. This is the time to definitely take some time for yourself to relax or to do the things that you haven't done in a while or that you keep on pushing off and off. But use the snow day to do things you want to do that you haven't done and haven't had the time to do it, or just do the things you just been pushing away and saving it for later. So now that I feel relaxed and calm, I'm gonna go ahead and journal a little bit. I'm trying to get a little bit better at journaling, not just in the morning, but also at night as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and journal a little bit and also plan for the day for tomorrow. I have tomorrow off. I think I'm gonna close this video out here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, always remember to take some time to give yourself some self-love and some self-care, and just give yourself some time to decompress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.